This is just a quick video to show how to use the Leading Edge series Gritomatic stone holders 6-inch and 4-inch for the workshop precision adjust. It basically allows you to use any 6-inch or 4-inch size form factor stones for the workshop precision adjust. So firstly, I'll just be removing the stone rod and the original stones. Slide it off. You can reuse the little stoppers if you prefer. I'm just going to put mine to the side. First I'll demonstrate the 6-inch stone holder. Loosen up the thumb screw in the back, creating space for the stone. Let's try a Edge Pro form factor type stone with a dovetail. Slot it into position. Got a bit more space there. Into position. Tighten it up. Center it. Snug it up, and now it's holding a Edge Pro type form factor stone in the precision adjust stone holder. Simple as using the original stone rod, regular sharpening as you normally would, install it and continue sharpening with a 6-inch stone. Now you'll see this is a little bit long for the original clamp, but we also have longer extended clamps like the Kak Britva clamp, for example, that extends all the way to here, that works perfectly with a 6-inch stone. Same situation, same thing for a 4-inch stone. Unscrew. Let's use one of the Columbia Gorge Stoneworks diamond resin stones today. Slot it in position, center it, and snug it up. Now you've got a stone holder for a 4-inch form factor type stone. Pop it onto the bar and continue sharpening as you normally would with any 4-inch type sized stone. This works with most 4-inch type stones. Here's a Venev Scorpion size. The Venev Cerberus dog size works well on this, and most other 4-inch stones or strops. Snug it up and it's in position. Let's have a look at the 6-inch holder again with the dual-sided Venev stones. Pop it in position. Line it up and snug it up. And it's holding it very nicely in position, again for sharpening on the workshop precision adjust.